Hello, hello, middle school students. This is Mr. Engstrom, and I'm here to walk you through the Launchpad. Let's talk a little bit about why we're doing this, and then we'll talk about what you'll need to do to set yourself up for success. So the why is Power School sort of failed us last year in terms of getting you guys access to what was going on in your classes. And I know there were a lot of workarounds, but we wanted to have a unified system this time so that you guys could access what's going on and resources, et cetera, et cetera. So the department chairs got together and we landed on the Launchpad as an idea for you guys to have access to all your courses. So you should have received it in your inbox, and if you open it up, the first step is just to go to File, make a copy, and then you're going to want to rename it, and this will be your own copy. It's your own personal Launchpad. So maybe you'll do first, last name. Let's see. So this is what I would do if I were you. This is going to go to your parents and your advisors and any tutors that you have. So I would do something like that. And then the next thing you need to do is you need to share. I'm going to change that. I would do anyone with the link. If you do anything below that, then you might have problems with any tutors that you have, or if someone's taking care of you for a couple of days and they need to see it, whatever. I would put it on anyone with the link. If you want to just do specific people, that's fine too. You can link all those people in. So after you've done that, the trick is going to be to go to each of your classes, and your teachers are going to walk you through which ones to delete and which ones to keep. For example, you're not going to keep all of these, and you're not going to keep all of these. And your teachers will walk you through that. You're going to be tempted just to start deleting, and that might be okay, but you also might mess it up. Your teachers will walk you through each of these links and what they'll do for you. So I hope that helps. If it doesn't, please ask your advisor or feel free to ask me. Thanks a lot.